Welcome to UPSC 2021 Prelims Booster Initiative. Your time starts now. Okay, time is over. Did you answer? The first statement is wrong. The second statement is correct. Why? Because India is an observer in the Indian Ocean Commission. So it might seem weird to you that this is a commission where India is not part of, despite being the Indian Ocean Commission. The reason is it handles maritime governance in Western Indian Ocean. India's entry is a consequence of its deepening strategic partnership with France as well as expanding ties with the Vanilla Islands. So it is an intergovernmental organization created in 1982 and institutionalized by Victoria Agreement in 1984. So it is composed of 5 African countries in the Indian Ocean nations: Comoros, Madagascar, Mauritius, Reunion, which is an overseas region of France. So you should remember this, and Seychelles. Okay, moving to the next question. Your time starts now. Okay, time is over. The correct answer to this is International Labour Organization. So India has recently assumed the chairmanship of governing body of the organization. So this becomes important. It is the apex executive body of the International Labour Organization, which decides policies, programs, agenda, budget, and elects the director general. It meets in Geneva and it meets 3 times annually. So some of the important fundamental conventions of the International Labour Organization are Freedom of Association and Production of Right to Organize Convention 1948, Right to Organize and Collective Bargaining Convention, Forced Labor Convention, Abolition of Forced Labor Convention, Minimum Age Convention, Worst Form of Child Labor Convention, Equal Remuneration Convention, Discrimination, Employment and Occupation Convention. So mention in the comments which of this convention is India is not yet part of. Moving to the next question, your time starts now. Okay, what is the answer? The correct answer is A. So now we are entering economics and social development aspect of the prelims syllabus after covering international relations. So this scheme Government of India has formulated for the development of industries in Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir. It is a central sector scheme it is aimed to have industrial development to the block level in union territory. It will encourage new investment, also nurture existing industries by providing them working capital support at the rate of 5% for 5 years. Main purpose is to generate employment, directly leading to socio-economic development of the region. It aims at development of manufacturing as well as service sector units in Jammu and Kashmir. Scheme is made attractive for both smaller and larger units. So the third statement is wrong, that scheme is made primarily to attract small scale industry. So that's why A is the correct answer. Moving to the next question. Your time starts now. Okay, what is the correct answer? Correct answer here is A. When you are doing economy, you need to have some figures in mind. For example, what exactly is India's GDP in crores or in dollars, in dollar trillion. So it is almost 2.8 trillion dollars, which comes near 200 lakh crores. So Atmanirbhar Bharat package is 20 lakh crore. It comes approximately near to 10% of India's GDP, not 20%. And this has been in news, so it's important that you study this whole package carefully. Moving to the next question, your time starts now. Time is over. What was your answer? The correct answer for this is A. Why is that? Because India's share in the global exports of manufacturing products remains around 2%, while it is far less than 18%. So the share of China in manufacturing products exports is almost 9 times as that of India. And according to the data published by United Nations Statistics Division, China accounted for 28.7% of global manufacturing output in 2019. So that puts the country more than 10 percentage points ahead of the United States, which used to have world's largest manufacturing sector until 2010. So if you like this initiative, please like, comment how many you got right, share it with your friends, and thank you for watching.